Hi, it's Peter from Teach Me Maths. We're going to look at the May 2018 Paper 1 AS level. So we've got a 2-hour paper here. You need to use black ink. There's 15 questions. Papers out of 100. Round things to 3 significant figures. These are all the important things really on this front page. Okay, so let's move on to question 1 then, and you can see an integration question. Just a quick tip in terms of how to kind of write your maths out in an exam. I would have a section down the side. You don't have to draw that line, but have a section down the side for doing little bits of working out. Okay, so if you need to kind of work some numbers out, some fractions, that kind of thing, then do it over here. It saves messing up your main work on the left hand side. We want it to be nice and clear for the examiner so that he can mark it accurately. So the main thing to look at here is we can't really integrate something that looks like a surd. We want to change that. So just using your indices rules, you're going to change 6 root x into 6x to the half. Everything else is going to be copied down. So 2/3 x cubed at the front there. Okay, so this is what we're actually going to integrate. So normally with these questions, the first step isn't to actually just launch straight into integrating. Have a look at what you're going to integrate. Have a look at all of the terms and see if they're in the right form, and if they're not, change them. Okay, now I'm going to keep this fairly simple. People integrate in a few different ways. I want to keep this simple. Whatever the number is in front of x cubed, in other words the coefficient of x cubed, just copy it down and keep it nice and simple on the first step. We raise the power, divide by the new power, and then we tidy that up on the next line. Okay, so this isn't going to be our final neat answer. We're just going through the motions. It's raise the power by 1, divide by the new power, and then we're going to get plus x, and you mustn't forget plus c. I could just put that on the next line. I'm going to put it there. I've written a little bit big on there. Okay, so when you're working out 2/3 divided by 4, okay, it was important to be accurate here. You're allowed a calculator now, so really just put 2/3 divided by 4 into your calculator and just avoid any mistakes. Certainly when I'm tutoring people, I do encourage them not to use a calculator all the time, but in an exam we want to be completely accurate. Okay, so our final answer is going to look like this.